Hi guys, Elyas Tech here with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to install Grand Theft Auto 5 on your Android phone. And first thing I want to say that I'm really sorry that I didn't upload a video the other week because I was too busy thinking about a new video that I want to do. And yeah, and the first thing I want you to do is install the link. It will be in the description down below, and I want you to install the Archiver from the Play Store or Google Play Store. And I will uninstall Grand Theft Auto 5 for proof. And yeah, as you can see, it's uninstalled. And when you download the link, I want you to go to the Archiver and want you to go to download, and I want you to find the download link, GTA 5 beta version, and I already put it in the GTA 5 section. And Terraform Games GTA 5 0.2 zip file, and you extract here, and the password will be subscribe now, and okay, it will extract, and you install. You press the APK file and you put open package installer, install. And that's it. As you can see, here's the GTA 5. Yeah. And if this video worked for you guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications and put a huge thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye.